Where are we?
Stanlyn.
Stanlyn Park, I think it's called. Stanlyn Park. It's not far from Mullaney, Sunshine Coast Hinterland. And this site is called Wash Creek. There's a couple of different campsites on Stanlyn Park here, but we're down at Wash Creek, which is sort of down the hill, and there's a bit of a creek down there, and that's pretty good. But there's a neighbour not far away that way. Whoop. And they were running around on their motorbikes before or something. And it just kind of, how's the serenity?
In the rain, mind you.
Yeah, and then it started raining. So we've got firewood for a fire, but whether that ends up happening. So we've got something brand new tonight.
Yeah.
Do tell.
So we're going to see if we can do a camping version of a lamb kofta.
Which would be interesting because we've never even had lamb kofta at home.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a brand new experience.
I decided to branch out and do some new recipes, and you're going to have to sit through it with us. So things that I've learned.
It will be fine.
And things that I'm going to have to try is apparently you have to mix this thoroughly. Basically, I think the word that one of the recipes said was you actually need to knead the meat. So,
interesting.
That's...
And you don't have your Thermomix to do the kneading for you.
I don't. No. So apparently that is supposed to help prevent it from falling apart when you cook it. I forgot to bring the parsley, but we've got parsley here.
Well, whilst we're on the topic of fresh herbs and spices, let's have a look at what our ingredients are. So where do we want to start? Street tacos.
Yeah.
Not very Greek.
No.
Lamb mince.
Well, you can just use tortillas or wraps or whatever.
We kind of like those little guys at the moment. So what, you got some garlic, paprika, cumin, parsley, cinnamon, and what is that one?
That's chili.
Oh, chili, okay.
And
got tomato, salad onion, some lettuce.
The other thing that it says is don't be stingy with the salt. Apparently the salt also helps to bind the whole lot together.
Oh, well, that should work for you.
I'm cool with that. I'm down.
And the other new ingredient today is that one.
Oh.
Pirate Life South Coast Pale Ale. Not had this before. It's not really an ingredient that we're going to cook with, but it will be consumed as part of dinner.
So there's pretty much two parts to it. I've got to mix this up, and then once the meat has been massaged, we then have to put it back in the fridge so it can, the fat content can harden, which again helps it set while you're cooking it.
So this is a two-part arrangement here?
Yeah, so we'll do part one prepping, and then part two is the cooking. So as usual, even though this is new, I'm still not using a recipe because bah humbug to recipes.
Because that's what you do.
I got a list of ingredients and I'm just chucking them together. So here's hoping.
Oop, careful. Don't be knocking that over.
Nah, that's right. Adds flavour. You're all mate talking up there.
Mm.
He's probably on his phone.
Pretty close.
Do you find that when somebody's on the phone, they tend to talk louder?
Yeah, I know I do. And always afterwards, I think to myself, I was probably raising my voice a bit there, but
everybody needs to know.
It just seems to be instinctive because you're talking to a person that's a long way away, so you have to talk louder so they can hear you.
All right, so this is where the fun begins. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Oh, lots of that.
I don't know if you can really see that properly from over there, so I'm just going to... So, what's going on?
So I'm just chucking stuff in here.
Chucking the stuff in there?
Yeah.
So what's in there at the moment?
So, cumin, smoked paprika, parsley, and I want just a little bit of cinnamon. And I want a lot bit of chili. Yeah, a couple more. I can start smelling. I can smell the chili now. Nice. Okay. Trying very hard not to touch it.
Right, try that.
I can't move it around in there. Needs.
It's all squishy. Get there, I'm getting there, I'm getting there.
I'll just stand around while you're working. That's what you do.
I don't just stand around while you're working. Make sure the camera's going, and I check the audio levels from time to time, and I get your wine when you need to. Alright, do you want to give that a check now? Do you reckon that's squished and kneaded enough?
The thing I'm concerned about is that putting my nails straight through it.
Yeah, that's why I thought if I do it, I don't really have the nails. I can just kind of get into it a bit more.
And I'm also going to do something that I haven't done before.
In
shaping these things, I saw somebody do a little thing on the YouTube, as my dad would say.
On the YouTube?
On the YouTube. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to give that a go. So you keep massaging that, and I'm just going to get my little secret ingredient out. Well, not ingredient, secret duvelaki. Yep, as we said, learning on the job here.
So what else is new? That's standard operating procedure, isn't it?
Do I have a smaller
Cutting board than
cutting
that?
board? I thought I had a little white one.
No, I don't think so.
Trick.
You're sort of making little sausages out of them almost.
Yeah. Look at that.
Okay.
Because that also then compacts it.
Ta-da!
Because traditionally you're supposed to have the skewer in there.
Ah, okay. But if that's the case, traditionally you would not be serving them on tortillas then, would you?
No.
Right.
So
That's okay. This is
thinking we're just doing them this way because
inspired by a lamb kofta. Kofta?
tea.
Kofta. So as Hollywood would say, sort of inspired by a true story rather than using literary or culinary license we're using.
Yeah. Can you pull that sleeve up, please? Not the arm.
So what's the deal now? These have to sit for like 15 minutes or so.
These have got to go in the fridge.
Oh, back in the fridge, right, okay.
Yeah. Try and get them all the same thickness.
I'm assuming there's going to be space in this little guy. Oh, yeah, we'll make it fit.
It's just going to sit on the top.
We'll make it fit. Oh, down comes the rain again. I was briefly hopeful.
There we go. All right. And while that's happening, I'm just going to prepare the salad. The tomato was very juicy.
It was, wasn't it?
And if it's as yummy as the one we had for lunch, it's going to taste amazing.
Yes.
All right, so we've got all of that sorted.
So time was on for 20 minutes?
Yep.
So we veg for 20.
Yep.
Back soon.
We're back.
So that's been about 20 minutes.
Yep.
What's our...
So
we've still got this stuff in here.
all right. So we've got from there. We've got to get the hummus. We've got to get the kebabi things, kofta things, and we need to get the wine. And then we have to start cooking. I need to oil that. I need to heat that and oil that and
Do all the things. And we wait. You can't rush these things.
all this new stuff.
What do you need? Where does that go in?
It doesn't. It goes in my glass.
Oh. Well, I sorted that out. I figured there was some kind of
No.
cooking required or something.
No.
No, okay, no.
So the only thing we didn't mention earlier was the hummus.
Yes, true.
So I've got to chuck some of that on there.
And this is what that looks like. Is it
No,
supposed to?
probably. But they're staying together, so I'm quite proud.
Was there ever any doubt of that?
One of the few times I do doubt myself. But
I saw the effort required and all the pressure required in going.
but isn't that nifty?
Yeah, it
The
works, hey.
stuff you learn on the internet.
You saw somebody on the... Oh, that was the thing you saw on the YouTubes.
Yeah. So I suppose we just cook these like you would sausages. Just turn them and stuff.
So they're kind of like a Greek sausage sandwich almost, aren't they?
Fundamentally,
Okay.
we are now officially sizzling.
I miss Sizzler.
Everybody misses sizzler.
Hmm.
I'm going to open that because I want to see what it's like.
It's also the sort of thing if you had some crackers, you just
Yeah.
dip it on this, yeah.
I read somewhere the other day, when somebody says I made it with love, that means that they used a spoon, licked it, and then carried on stirring. I thought that's almost true. Almost true. Honestly, who would have figured out that if you massage your meat, if you massage lamb,
If you massage your meat, it gets stiff and doesn't break up in the pan. Yes, okay, go on.
I'm just curious as to who figured that out. I just can't believe how well these have stayed together.
Oh, why do you doubt?
Because I've never done this before, and it's like beginner's luck.
Call it what you will.
So you can come back for seconds if you want to, which I know you will. And look at that. I made them just the right size. I suppose you just got to wait for them to cool down a little bit now.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we've got.
Hang on.
Yeah,
Presentation.
yeah,
No, presentation and all that jazz. Come back here.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I want to chop a little bit of onion.
No presentation on that one, though.
Come on. Presentation. And colour. See? I'm using purple tonight. Here you go.
They are both looking pretty good.
Go over there.
I think that's enough of that. It's time to go eat. See you later.
Yep. Don't burn yourself. It's hot, Jason.
Okay. And it's not raining.
Oh, you did that too.
this has always happened when it's raining.
Anyway. At least we've got all the tools that we need. Oh well, part of the adventure.